Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu forged the tax clearance papers and used them to grab a governmental tender under the Presidential Goat Pass-On Scheme. The National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) has reviewed. Mure Zimbabwe achiperi mushe nhasi tamboti kupai fresh details in Chimombe Goat corruption. Sarapinda muna uyuzeni kuti bo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. In a statement, the NPA said the accused persons forged a Zimra tax clearance certificate and a NASA compliance certificate in the name of Black Deck Private Limited and attached them in a bidding document which they submitted to the Ministry of Lands, Agriculture, Water, Fisheries and Rural Development for a tender for the supply and delivery of goods for the Presidential Goat Pass-On Scheme. Chimombe and Mpofu allegedly misrepresented that the company was in full compliance with the Zimura and NASA requirements. However, investigations indicated that the QR code and the reference on the NASA compliance certificate were issued to a different company. It is further alleged that Black Deck Private Limited was deregistered from the NASA system in January 2016. The NPA said further investigation established that the Black Deck Private Limited was not issued with a Zimra tax clearance certificate for the year 2021 and that the QR code on the forged tax clearance certificate belonged to a different company, said the NPA. Domashwa ari kubuda nawo vangasikanyasi kuziva nawo yana Mike Chimombe sevari accused nekuda kwe the goat scheme ndo nawo ma fresh details ari kubuda panapa zvinzaiwo vakomana vakanyanya kuita zvinhu zviri corrupt vakafoja ma details. Pine comment section meri mutombotudza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Amusana no subscribe kulike chinoitira on the bell icon.